On a difficult job, you make it look as easy as the videos, and it's well worth every step of the way. Just great effort all around. We couldn't be happier.
The quality of the gate is truly unique. We have an aluminum piece powder coated. Over here we're close to the ocean, so corrosion is an issue for us. And at the end of the day, we have an excellent, I think, truly unique product.
It's great, amazing, very professional.
Lovely, delicious, it looks really great.
Excellent job.
It's amazing. I really appreciate the work that you guys did, and this is going to really help keep our business very safe, so appreciate it.
I am blown away with how quick it was done, how professionally it was done, how fabulous it looks. I could not be happier.
Everything good? Good.
I'm happy, very happy.
Good.
Quality product.
Would you recommend us for the people?
I would, highly. I already have, actually.
Our company is full of amazing people. Anyone who works for Mulholland brand is a person that loves servicing, loves working in a team environment, and these are the kind of people that working for Mulholland. We have tons of heart.
How do you like your new gates, sir? You like them?
Oh, so good.
You like the job?
Very good.
Very good.
At the end, it turned out fine.
Well, good. I'm glad you're happy, and if you're happy, I'm happy.
Everyone's happy.
Yanni, what do you think about the project?
Great, thank you.
Alright.
So happy.
We did it, right?
Yeah, you guys did a really
Great
good
job.
job. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you guys. What do you think of the job here? Very good. Are you satisfied?
Yep.
Would you recommend people for to Mulholland?
Yes. Project was smooth. The crew were great as well. Punctual, friendly, great service. Even put my mailbox that I bought from Home Depot on the entryway. I got no complaints, nothing but good things to say.
How you like the project?
Love it. Thank you.
Love it? Thank you. We'll see you soon for the pergolas, right?
Yes.
Beautiful.
I was kind of apprehensive from the beginning, but I'm very pleased. My mom's very happy. Mulholland brand, if you need any kind of security, call them. Best you can get in the country right now.
Thank you.
All
Thank you,
right.
Terry.
Beautiful.